Hey guys, who is not fascinated by robots? And that is completely understandable. Like man, how efficiently and smoothly do they get your work done? So, in this video, we'll be talking about personal robots that make your life easier. Links to all the products are there in the description. Ever happen that you are on the ground floor of your home and you hear some suspicious sound from the upper floor, but you are too lazy or maybe scared to check it? Well, Enabot Home Security is here to make you feel safe and sound. This mini patrolling robot will notice all activity in your house and keep you updated through its camera. If it notices some unusual activity, you will get notified through the Enabot app. They say the grass is always greener on the other side, but no man, grass is greener on the side where you take care of it. With this lawn robot, now you are free of all the worries when it comes to your lawn. With its smart cutting technology, it moves in straight lines and trims in an orderly fashion. It can actively avoid any object in its path, so that it can satisfy you with a fresh, clean lawn. If you have a child who is curious about science, or you want to incubate the science of invention in them, this ClicBot coding robot should be your first step. It is quite exhilarating because someone built a bot for you, so that you could create a bot for yourself. And if you still have any qualms about its awesomeness, you will be amazed to know that this bot has been mentioned by the Forbes magazine as well. Amazon really gave us a glimpse of the future when they came up with a home assistant in the form of this cute robot. This 17-inch tall robot assistant can follow you around the house, play music for you, and even act as a security guard in your absence. It is equipped with a pop-up camera, a moving screen, and adorable expressions that can woo all family members. It is the year 2022 where everything is so advanced, so why choose boring conventional ways for your child's education? With this Sphero BOLT, you can reveal your creativity and innovation just by rolling it. For all the kids who are aspiring to become coders, this bolt is a must because it lets you create your own games. Code BOLT by drawing on your screen and also write JavaScript. When it comes to delivering excellence, Sony never falls short of it, because this time it has released a robotic dog called Aibo. What is so fun about Aibo is that it behaves like your normal pet dog. With time, it gets used to its name and also plays with toys. Whenever you pet it, it always loves you back. And it's not even high maintenance, as whenever its battery is low, it goes to the charging station itself. Another fancy term for spider is a web designer, and this Bionic quadrupled spider really lives to the fancy name. For all those people who are keen about learning AI, electronics, robotics, this spider is the perfect step to start. There's also a PDF manual inside it which teaches you how to assemble this robot step by step. The next robot on our list is a real spectacle to behold. At first glance, it might seem like an alternative pet one takes on walks because it is four-legged. But that is not the end of the story. With its inbuilt camera technology, you can have real-time tracking. It has highly sensitive obstacle detection technology, which prevents it from crashing into objects. Hate cleaning every day? No problem, because this robot vacuum cleaner is not lazy like you and loves to do its job efficiently. That is, to suck out dust and dirt particles from carpets, from floors and carpet. With its laser navigation, you can have an accurate idea about its movements and then control it accordingly to prevent any collisions. Who likes mopping? From filling the buckets to carrying them, this task is pretty tiring and time-consuming. But unfortunately, it is also necessary for a clean house. No worries, because this mopping robot, all you have to do is fill the water tank, turn on the robot, sleep, and then wake up with a clean and fresh house. Let us welcome another cleaning robot on our list, and why not? Because the more the better. Cleaning windows, and especially if you live on a higher floor, is a bit tacky. Like, who will bring ladders and sponges? So it is better to let this little guy do his job and make your windows as clean as the rest of the house. Remember those dancing and singing dolls we had in our childhood? Well, this smart robot is just a super advanced version of those dolls. It can dance and sing for you and also skateboard. You can control its movements just by a single gesture. It's made of non-toxic material, so it's completely safe for little children.